Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Ro. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our coding tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll be going over Ascent combat framework in Unreal Engine 5, and specifically, I'll be showing you how to display your currency text. So I just have a simple currency on the left, and on the right of it, it just says 60. So it'll say the currency and the amount on the right of it, and let's get started. On my ACF full sample, I'm gonna go to UI, Inventory, and I'll just right click and create a widget blueprint, and I'll create a user widget, and I'll call this WBP underscore currency. And I'll double click to open this. And all I'll do here is just search for a text block, and I'll drag it here, and I'll make sure that the is variable is checked. And under this text part, I'll select the bind and click create binding, and I'll leave this like this for now. Now the next thing I'm going to do is go to my full map and go to my ACF full player UE4 character, or your default pawn class. And then I'm going to create a new variable called coins. And if your character doesn't already have the ACF currency, you can just click add and type in ACF currency, and you'll add the ACF currency component, and you can just see the default values. You can start with however much you want by setting the currency amount here. And I'm going to add this event called on currency change, and then I'll drag the coins out and click set. And now whenever you pick up any coins, it'll just set the currency to the updated value. So I'll hit compile and save. And now back on the WBP currency that we created. So I'll drag this out to cast to ACF full player UE4. This is how I have it currently set up. And I'm going to get local ACF player character. And then for the as ACF full player, I'm going to get coins. So I'll get my coins, and then I'll do to text as a float, and that's perfect. And then I'll right click in the open and type in get default currency name, just like this. So these are the two that I really need. So I'm going to drag out the return value of the return node and type in format text to get out this format text node. I'm just going to pin this in and then click add 2 pins, and then I'll break it just so I have that 0 and 1. And I'll do the return value for the coins. I actually want the coins to be on the second part. So I'll do get default currency name first as my 0, and then the amount of coins I have on the 1. And then I'm going to format it like this. So curly bracket 0, end curly bracket, and then semicolon. I'll actually add a space after the semicolon, and then curly bracket 1 and semicolon. And now I'll hit compile and save. And now I'm going to want to go to my WBP inventory, and I'll just add so I'll search for my WBP currency, and I'll just drag this right here just to display it. I won't do anything too fancy with this just yet. And now I want to make so I'll just make a blueprint for the world drop real quick. ACF full world item BP, and I'll do coins underscore 500. And for the currency amount, I'll just type in something like 500. I'll compile and save. And I'll just change the mesh to something a bit more better looking. So I'll just change it to this pile of coins by Cinti. And then I'll drag this out here. And now when I click play, when I hit play, I'll run up to it, and it'll let me loot, and it'll show how much coins it is. So I'll click E, and then when I open my inventory, it'll show how many coins I have. And yeah, that's pretty much just how you show your currency in ACF. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment what tutorial you want to see next. And thanks.